Hi, welcome to TunesKit channel. You may have forgotten your iPad screen passcode or could not unlock it for some reason. Forgot your iPad passcode? Here's how to unlock it with TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Let's get going. First, open TunesKit iPhone Unlocker and go to Unlock iOS screen field. Then, click Start. Connect iPad to the computer and follow the instructions to put it into recovery mode. After that, click Download to get the firmware. When the firmware package is ready, it'll be detected. Now let's start unlock. It'll take a while. All you need to do is keeping your iPad connected and have a cup of coffee. Good job. Now just wait for the device to finish boot up. Then you can get into the iPad. Okay, that's so much for today's video. To download, check out the link in the description below. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.